Hello guys, welcome to eTrainer Box. In this video we are going to learn about if or function. As you know, in the if function we have one argument which can be true or false. But if you have more than one argument and one argument can be false and one argument can be true, so in this case you can use or function with if function. I have this database in which I have employee ID, gender, employee name, sales target and actual sales. So in my first example, I wanted if any of these employees has less than 5,000 sales or greater than 15,000 sales, then it must be shown in this column. So here we have two argument in which one can be true or second can be false. So here we will use or function with if function. How can we do this? We will see here. So firstly, I will delete this data and here I will use equal if bracket, then I will use second function or bracket. So my first logical argument is my this sales less than 5,000 comma mean if any of this employee has less than 5,000 sales or greater than 15,000 sales. So my logical two argument will be this sales greater than 15,000. Then it must be shown in this column, otherwise show nothing. So I will close this bracket comma. So value if true, then I will show this sales comma, otherwise show nothing. Then I will use inverted commas blank bracket close, press enter, and you can see I got nothing. Why? Because this employee sales greater than 5,000, so it's mean my first logical argument is false and second argument was greater than 15,000, so here the second argument also false, then formula does not show anything here. So now I will copy this formula and paste it in the rest of the cells, and you can see many of the employee sales show here. Why? For example, if we see these three sales, you can see these three sales less than 5,000. It's mean the first logical argument is true. That's why the sales is showing. That is why the sales is showing here. So if you see the sales of this employee 16,000, here the first logical argument was false because the first logical argument was the sales less than 5,000, so here it's false. The second one is greater than 15,000, so here the second argument is true. That is why this sales is showing here. So in this way you can use if or function together. Now we will move to another example in which I have the first argument is if any of the employees has greater than 5,000 sales, or if any female has sales, then it will show me here alpha, otherwise show nothing. So how we can do this? Firstly, I will remove this formula and here I will use equal if bracket or bracket. So the first logical argument is if any of these employees greater than 5,000 sales, then greater than 5,000 comma. The second logical argument is if any female employee doing any sales. So what I will do, I will select this cell equal inverted comma female inverted comma close, then bracket close comma. If any of the argument is true, either greater than 5,000 sales or any female employee doing the sales, then it will show me here alpha, otherwise show nothing. Bracket close, press enter. And you can see I got the alpha message here. Why? Because this employee sales greater than 5,000. So I will copy this formula and paste it in the rest of the cells. You can see I got the many alpha messages here. If you see these two messages and see the sales less than 5,000. So it's mean our first argument was false. Then formula jump to the second argument, which was any female employee doing any sales. So if you go to the gender and you can see both are female employees. Similarly, if you go to the this message alpha message and see the sales is greater than 5,000. It's mean our first argument is true, but second argument false. That is why we got the alpha message here. In this way, you can use if or function together and generate your result accordingly. Hopefully guys, you like this video. Thank you very much.